Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device. So in case if your device is laggy, you're trying to press buttons to do something about it, but it just reacts in no way, what you can do about it? You have to restart your device, but as I already said, you're trying to press some buttons, but they just don't respond in no way. You can hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds, for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted and won't be laggy anymore, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.